Okay, friends, since Teresa is going to Tybee for the weekend and her girlfriends are joining her, I think that she wanted some deviled eggs to take to the beach tonight.
Not me.
And she probably thought, I'll just have Paula make them for a video. And that way, I've got my deviled eggs. Am I too far wrong?
Actually, I am very glad that we are making them. But no, this was a request out of the magazine.
I'm kidding you.
I'm just kidding. You know I'm kidding.
But it is going to be real convenient tonight when you go to the beach to be able to tote some deviled eggs in.
Look, I have bonus this week on product or on just things to take to Tybee.
Yeah, we fed.
And I wasn't even planning it.
All right, so I've got 12 yolks, no joke. Get it? It's a rhyme. I've got 12 yolks right here. And this recipe is actually from Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. So I'm just gonna mash these yolks up real good. And this is called pimento cheese bacon deviled farm eggs.
It's got quite a title.
It does have a, the title is almost longer than the recipe. All right. I have sure missed my chickens, and hopefully my husband will figure out a way for me to be able to have my chickens again, right, Michael?
Yeah, I think I can do it.
Oh, good. He thinks he can do it. Okay, so we got some liquid things that we're going to be adding to these yolks, so you may want to do that a little on the slow side, like our hot sauce and our vinegar. Let's see what kind of vinegar that called for.
It's apple cider.
Apple cider vinegar. So this is our mayonnaise, and we're starting with 3 tablespoons of mayo, followed by 3 tablespoons of sour cream. So we're just gonna mix that up real good. It's gonna be a finger licker. Okay. So this is different from your typical deviled eggs, y'all. Most deviled eggs have pickles, salt and pepper, maybe some olives. Michael just said yuck. He and I are not big olive fans. All right. So next, we're gonna add, I think it's, I've just got where, I can't see without these glasses. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of pimento cheese. Now, to me, my family makes the best pimento cheese ever. But there is a brand of prepared pimento cheese out there that is actually pretty good.
We won't say the name, we'll just... But this is in the Low Country. This is out of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Actually out of Pawleys Island.
So 3 tablespoons
And when
of
you only
pimento
need
cheese.
3 tablespoons, it's a lot to make a whole
And you know
thing of
what?
pimento
This
cheese.
one's got some heat to it.
Yeah, it does have a little bit of a kick. So you might want to be careful
Yes.
on that. That's a good
So
point.
I'm gonna back off on that hot sauce, Teresa, because my throat is on fire right now as we speak.
And do you know that they even have a hot one and I didn't get that one?
No.
Yeah.
All right, so 3 tablespoons of pimento cheese. You can find my pimento cheese recipe online.
And we're going to give them one too.
Yes,
Yes.
and of course we'll give you this one that we're using here today. Okay, so this is going to be really tasty. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to just slowly add to it. Now this hot sauce, let's see, how much does it call for?
2 tablespoons, which I think is a lot.
No, Paula Deen. No. Mike could eat these eggs. I think I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and that's...
Yeah, well, that ain't supposed to be hot.
Oh, because they're devils.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
I tell y'all all the time, you can always add 2, but you can't take it out. So I wound up adding 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, and it's pretty tart. So I'm not gonna add the full 3 tablespoons. I added 1 tablespoon. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon, and I'm gonna add 1 more little teaspoon of the pepper sauce. So, and this is my brand. This is Paula Deen hot sauce, and I just think it's so good. So you'll notice I'm not putting any salt or pepper in it, because we're gonna get the salt from the bacon that's on top. And the pimento cheese is salty, because cheese, to me, is just salty to start with.
I think the vinegar kind of gives it, kind of takes over the salt a little bit. It gives you that little tang.
Yes. And I think it kept the hot sauce from being so overpowering, you know? But I certainly wouldn't add all of that. So at this point, my staff at the magazine is so very, very good, y'all. They're so very good. They would pipe this in, and it would be just beautiful. But for us today, I am just spooning it in.
Isn't that a cute plate?
Yes, wonder where you got this plate.
I'm not taking the plate either.
That's from the Paula Deen story, isn't it?
Yes.
The wicked chicken.
Oh, that's what I wanted to show y'all. All of a sudden, Eddie quit filming and he walked off. And I thought it was maybe because he had to cough or something. But it wasn't that at all. He went into the dining room and got our wicked chicken tea towel.
So cute.
I was at the store this morning and I saw it when I was walking out, so.
Wicked chicken laid deviled eggs. And what made Eddie think about it was Michael had said deviled eggs should be hot without adding anything to them. Because you're full of devilment.
So cute.
All right, so this would be pretty. Maybe with a little parsley on it, but we're gonna do them very homemade-y type today. So there you go. You can find the recipe online, and if you choose to, feel free to add more hot sauce to it, and feel free to add all the vinegar to it. To me, the vinegar gave it a really good little snappy, look. Did you taste it, Michael? So there you go, y'all. Just remember that wicked chickens lay deviled eggs. Are you a wicked chick? Like Teresa? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.